Gutters are vital for roofs to be in good condition. Here are 5 reasons why you need to keep your gutters clean.
Number 1. Prevent water damage. Damaged gutters can cause water to overflow and potentially damage your roof, walls, and foundation. Clean gutters ensure that rainwater can be properly directed away from your home or building, reducing the risk of water damage. Number 2. Protect landscaping. Overflowing water can also ruin landscaping and wash away soil, potentially killing plants and grass. Number 3. Prevent pest infestations. Dirty gutters can provide the perfect breeding ground for pests such as mosquitoes, rodents, and insects. Number 4. Avoid ice dams. If it's cold enough for ice to form on your windshield, then it's cold enough for the water sitting in the gutter to form ice, which can clog up your gutters and cause havoc. Number 5. Maintain property value. Clean and functioning gutters are essential for maintaining the appearance and value of your home or property. Neglecting to clean your gutters can result in costly repairs and reduce your home or building's value. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.